In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set reminders in Google Calendar. If you want a simple way to stay on top of important tasks, appointments, or little things you do not want to forget, Google Calendar makes it very easy. In this walkthrough, I'll show you how to create a reminder directly from your calendar in just a few clicks. Start by opening Google Calendar in your web browser. Once the calendar loads, you'll see your schedule laid out by day and time. From here, look for an empty time slot on the calendar and click on it. You can also click the Create button in the top left corner if you prefer. Both options will open the same event creation pop-up, so just use whichever feels more natural to you. When the pop-up appears, choose the Reminder option, or in some versions, you may see Task instead. This is where you tell Google Calendar what you want to remember. The reason this option is helpful is that it separates reminders from regular calendar events, which can make your schedule feel a lot cleaner and easier to manage. Next, type in the thing you need to remember. Keep the wording short and clear so it is easy to recognize at a glance later. For example, instead of writing something vague, try to be specific about the task or action you need to take. After that, set the date and time for the reminder. This is important because the reminder will appear right on your calendar at the moment you want to be notified. If it is something that happens regularly, such as a weekly check-in or a monthly bill, you can also choose a repeat frequency. Setting repeating reminders can save time and help you build routines without having to create the same reminder over and over again. Once everything looks right, click Save. Your reminder will now appear on your calendar, and you can return to it any time if you need to make changes later. A quick tip before you finish. Try placing reminders at times when you are actually able to act on them. A reminder is much more useful when it shows up at the right moment, instead of getting ignored during a busy part of your day. It also helps to keep your reminder titles simple and action-focused, so you instantly know what needs attention. That's all it takes to set reminders in Google Calendar. It's fast, practical, and a great way to stay organized without adding extra tools to your workflow.